Okay, we're looking at problem 5, using rational expressions to solve a problem. Fuel economy. A woman drives an SUV that gets 10 miles per gallon. Her husband drives a hybrid that gets 60 miles per gallon. Every week they travel the same number of miles. They want to improve their combined miles per gallon. They have two options on how they can improve it. Option 1, they can tune the SUV and increase its mileage by 1 mile per gallon and keep the hybrid as it is. Option 2, they can buy a new hybrid that gets 80 miles per gallon and keep the SUV as it is. Which option will give them the better combined mileage? And so they gave us an equations. And so option 1 is the tuned SUV for 11 miles per gallon, and the hybrid gets 60 miles per gallon. So we get x plus x is the number of miles each drives per week, divided by x over 11 plus x over 60. So they multiplied by the least common denominator of 11 and 60, which was 660. And when they did that, they got 1320 over x. Here, when I multiply by 60 times 11, I get 60x. And when I multiply 660 by x over 60, I get 11x. And so when we add that together, we get 71x. So 1320x divided by 11x gives me 18.6 miles per gallon. For option 2, same concept. I have their miles that they drive over the SUV, which was x over 10, over the new hybrid, which is x over 80. And so they get 2x over x over 10 plus x over 80. This time, the least common multiple of 10 and 80 is 80. So 80 times 2x gives me 160. 80 times 10, or x over 10, gives me 8x, and 80 times x over 80 gives me x. When I add those, I get 9x, and when I divide them, my x's cross out and I'm left with 17.8 miles per gallon. So option 1 gives me a better combined miles per gallon. Let's look at the guidance. It says, suppose option 3 is to buy a new hybrid that will get double the mileage of the present hybrid. The SUV mileage stays the same. Which of the 3 options will give the best combined mileage? So our original SUV, this is the tune, our original is 10 miles per gallon. And our new hybrid is going to give me double my original hybrid, 60, which is double 60 is 120. So I get x plus x over x over 10 plus x over 120. So this is my SUV, and this is my hybrid, double the miles. And so I'm going to do like they did. I'm going to multiply by the least common multiple of 10 and 120, and that's going to just give me 120. So when I multiply that, this is really 2x. 2x times 120 is 240x. And when I multiply x over 10 times 120, just multiplying it through using my distributive property. Sorry about that. Sorry. I get 240x. Here, looking at my crosses, that just gives me 12x plus this crosses out x, which is 240x over 13x. My x's cross out, and I get 18.46 miles per gallon. So let's look back at it. So this one was 18.6. So looks like their best bet is to get their SUV tuned and keep the hybrid that they have. Who would have thought that that would have been the best thing to do? I hope that this helps.